Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Roblox shaders on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos and then go to the effects section, add in the black and white sketch. Then you're going to add that blur. Then I'm going to select this area, select the video again, and then go to the blend mode and you're going to select color burn. Adjust the opacity so it's not too much. I might adjust the black and white sketch a little bit to around 50%. And then here I'm just going to adjust the opacity a little bit more. You can go to adjustments and then make it a little bit brighter. Just adjust the video to your liking, like this. You can even maybe add some clarity and sharpen it a little. Then I'm going to just copy and paste the first video, and then I am going to rotate it twice, and I'm going to flip it. Then we're going to go to video, go to mask, and add the split one. I think I need to put it up a little bit so I can see the mask. Put it there, go back to basic and just place it here. Go back to mask and you're going to like feather it out a little bit, but not too much. If I can just feather it out. Then I'm going to adjust the opacity a little bit here and place it there. That's how you can create shaders on Roblox, well, on CapCut PC for Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!